on, guys, is this an adventure or what? Oh, there's so many.
Another one gone.
Mini golfing.
Wow. Nice, Troy.
Hi guys, welcome back to the Adventures of Troy. Today, it is my cousin Anne-Marie's birthday, and we are going to the zoo right now. Happy birthday, Anne-Marie! I'm a monkey in a tree.
Drew, say happy birthday, Anne-Marie. Happy birthday, Anne-Marie. How old you be?
Nine.
What zoo are we going to?
And guess what, guys? I'm gonna be 10 soon.
Okay, this is not about you. Another tunnel. Anne-Marie, what animals? Oh, okay, what animals are we seeing, Troy?
Dolphins and koalas.
Dolphins and koalas? The koalas are new in Brookfield, right?
Yes.
What do you want to see, Crew? Crew, what animal do you want to see? Did you want to see alligators? Did you want to see monkeys? Troy, what do you want to see?
Koalas and dolphins.
Koalas and dolphins. Alrighty, we're on the way. Probably about 20 minutes. See you there.
We are going to the zoo.
We're gonna go see animals, Crew. Walking in?
We're walking. Anne-Marie, were you the one that decided to go to the zoo?
I don't really know.
What, Crew? Turn what on?
I do not know.
I think our parents planned it.
Thank you. Thank you. What do you see, Crew?
There's some moldy things, but I already did one of those ones.
It's the hot one.
Yep.
Here we are at the zoo. We got this thing for him, but of course he wants to be walking. That's Crew for you. We got the butterfly house. I don't know that I've ever been in there. We got the birthday girl.
Can we go in there for a sec?
Go ahead. Go ahead with Crew. Crew, look, it's a sprinkler over there by Troy Troy. Go with Troy Troy. You can cool off under the sprinkler. Look, it's a little butterfly sprinkler. Can you go? Can you go under and get wet?
Oh, yeah.
Let me see, Crew. Let me see. Did it turn off? Did it turn off? Here we are on the carousel. Are you above the weight limit for this, you think, Troy?
Probably.
Crew, what are you doing?
I'm riding on a seahorse.
You're riding on a seahorse?
Uh-huh.
Aha! What is Anne-Marie on? The kangaroo?
Above the weight limit, I need to hold on to another.
He's on the elephant. I think the elephant can support you. You got seahorses?
Uh-huh.
Hi. We're doing it. What are we doing? What are we doing? Oh, you're riding the carousel?
I wonder what one goes the highest. Maybe that cheetah over there.
Cheetah goes the fastest. Hi, baby. I didn't even know that thing was open yet. Here we are, the Brookfield Zoo sign. You see the waterfall? The water fountain, I should say. Look at that, Crew. Look at that. Whoa, what do you think? Crew, let me see your dance moves. I got a picture. No. Where you going, little boss? Where you going, boss baby?
Okay, guys, so we're here at the koala exhibit place.
Can you see the other one? Can you see the other one? He's back here. He's back here. The other one's straight.
And there's another koala hiding over there. Yeah, guys, he's all the way back there. I don't know if you could see him.
I'm so happy.
You guys can pause the video to see that if you want. I'm not gonna read all that. You guys can read it if you want.
You got it?
Look at him. Zoo at home. Look at that. Holy.
Okay, you want me to take your phone?
Over here. How you run over here? Can I see? There he is. Whoa, do you see the lights? Hi. Hi. Let's go find Anne-Marie. What are we doing, crew? What do you see in there? What's in there?
It's a catfish.
It's a catfish?
Oh, which one?
Does Troy like to eat the catfish?
I want
Yeah.
catfish. Catfish are so
You know who I think you'll have to ask Jody when we see that. When we see her this weekend.
I want to eat sushi.
No, because I think
Catfish
John
is not
fishes.
sushi.
I know John fishes, and I think they cure it. I'm not sure if they get
What are you doing, Troy?
Fishing with this? Spinning this.
We don't have enough time. We can go
Guys.
back and visit.
Whatever fish.
You want to sit? Okay, then sit. Then sit right there where you're standing. Or right here.
You all right, Troy? It's dominating the splash pad. We probably spent more time at the park and the splash pad than any of the animals. Hey, crew, what are you doing? Cuckoo! Hi. Uh-oh, what is he gonna do? Oh, he's scared. He may or may have not pushed someone already. Crew, what are you doing, buddy? Cuckoo! Hey, crew, you hear the airplane? What's happening, crew? Hey, crew!
Okay, bye guys. Hit the subscribe button, hit the like button. Peace.
Do not laugh.